Mushy peeps, it's Kristopher. Before we get into today's video, I gotta give a huge shout out to SeatGeek. Guys, if you're not familiar with SeatGeek by now, I don't know what else to tell you other than it's the best ticketing app on the market right now. They rate deals 0 to 100, 100 being the best, 0 being the absolute worst. They color code deals, so if you see a green deal out there, cop. Sometimes they give you a nice little view of where you're gonna be sitting at. Could be at an NBA game. NBA is out of the season right now, but you know, there's baseball, there's soccer, there's football, there's concerts you could go to. That's dope. Click that link down below. Use my code LSK for $20 off your first purchase. You should already know this. Use code LSK. A lot of good things happen when you use code LSK, all right? So make sure you use that code. And also, this video was recorded a very, very long time ago. When I say a long time ago, like, I thought I lost this video. This video was very hard to edit. Like, I didn't really know how to go about it. I tried my best, but it came out pretty good and pretty funny. And this was recorded at the Last House, so you guys will get some Last House nostalgic feels. I don't know how to say it, but basically, yeah, this was filmed a long time ago at the old house. I finally found it, and I wanted to post it because this is a good ass video, and it's funny as hell. So enjoy the rest of the video. Give us a thumbs up. Shout out to SeatGeek. Use code LSK. Mushy peeps, it's Kristopher London, and today I'm here with MOPI, Moochie, and Jesser. We're playing something a little different today, guys. We're playing Exploding Kittens.
With a twist.
But with a twist. Now, I haven't done a shocking video in a very long time. And guys, today, if you guys are familiar with Exploding Kittens, I think it's only right to add a little shocking twist to it.
Electricity?
Yeah, it makes the game a little more interesting. So every time somebody explodes, you will be shocked at a very high level. All right, we have a shock collar right here.
Yeah, let's test to see if it works. On his neck. You can test it.
I mean,
the people gotta see.
is it this one?
Wait, Tyler, you know what it's on?
What's it on?
This TV.
Oh, yeah. So that was just a test. All right.
It's not
So basically, the shock level is going to be at 14 every time. But if you're first, you get shocked 3 times. If you're second, you got shocked 2 times, and if you're the last one to get shocked in the game, it's just once.
I didn't know about this.
I didn't know that. I did a Fortnite video where I got shocked every single time I got shocked. So
it can't be that. Shit. You just don't want to be first. All right. So let's play right. You got to be smart with your cards. And yeah, I'm gonna explain it. I'm gonna explain the game right now. All right, guys, so I'm gonna do a quick explanation on how this game actually works. So
the main way the game works is there's a giant pile we draw cards from. We take turns drawing a card. You can put down your cards like attack, and it does, or you can put down special cards which do things, but you don't have to put down a card. You just have to draw a card to end your turn. You don't want to draw an exploding kitten bomb, because when you do, if you don't have a defuse, you lose.
Yeah.
But if you do have a defuse, you're safe. But let's say someone uses a nope card, which stops the action of any other player at this time. They nope the defuse, you lose. And if you do defuse it, you can put the bomb back in the deck wherever you want.
So it's like the main goal is you don't want an explosion, and you'll find out later in the game how we can tell if there is an explosion in the pole pile. Because you can use some of these cards that will tell you that.
Yeah, you can see into the future, alter the future. Pretty self-explanatory, guys. I will put a little description throughout the video to help you guys out for those that are new players. And if you guys want to see this again, just give this a thumbs up. And I'll put the rules in the description as well. So yeah, those are the rules. Enjoy the game. All right, guys, those are the rules. Those are the cards. Are you boys ready? All right, we got our decks ready.
now looking at cards.
God hand. Who shuffled this?
I don't know who shuffled this, but I like it.
Okay.
Everyone has a good hand. Oh yeah. I mean.
All right, so
Tyler's bluffing.
I will start it off. All right.
Hey, were you trying to show the camera? Yeah.
Okay. I'm just gonna go with.
You don't have to pick. You don't have to use a card.
If it's a bomb.
All right.
So that's you.
All right, MOPI.
Oh.
Spread 'em.
Oh. Oh man.
Whoa,
Now
this
Jester.
kid-
Now Jester, go show that camera what you got from MOPI's hand.
I don't even know what I got.
I don't believe that.
Tyler, everyone's defuse was at the bottom of the deck. I know you didn't loop it around your cards. Oh, wait.
I don't believe that, bro.
How could I see it? Think about it. The defuse was the bottom card on each. The bottom card in your hand was right there.
So you teased it. Cool.
I thought about it.
Nice,
That was
thanks.
tacky.
So we
didn't
know.
shuffle.
So we know
I'm
he has.
serious.
Okay. Well.
Sick.
Yeah.
we're all moving.
Cool.
All right. Go ahead.
That's
Draw a
what I
card.
Wait, I've never seen this card.
Can I have a favor, Mopi?
Oh, there's new cards I've never seen.
Yeah. There's a lot of new cards. We're playing with an expansion pack, boys.
6.5 hours later.
Wait. Do I got this.
Oh.
Oh, he got the imploding kitten. All right. So now, you get to put it anywhere in the deck, but it has to be face up.
Okay.
Put it on the top. I dare you. Put it on the top, Mitchell. You won't. I feel like we're gonna know when it's coming up. Just cause like.
Well, yeah.
Well, yeah, it's face up.
Yeah.
Bro, and then there's like.
I randomly put it in.
Okay.
Oh,
that's
no.
That's not my issue.
Oh.
That's not my issue.
Well,
It's still
the
good.
thing is, go fuck yourself.
Oi!
I'm not letting you do that, mate.
Oh no. Don't tell me you just lost.
I don't like that. I don't like that. Get back.
So it hits me. Reverse!
Oh.
Reverse.
I don't know. That's the first time I've ever seen one. It says, reverse the order of play and end your turn without drawing a card.
Reverse, so it's back to me after Chris?
Well, it's Chris now.
Yeah, and then it's me again.
But I have to.
But wouldn't it?
But the attack is. Let me see. what
Yeah, I was
Yeah.
gonna say.
That might be just for one turn. Is that what you guys are saying?
Yeah, because I'm thinking like if you have two
'Cause
turns,
you end
does
like-
the reverse?
Yeah.
Alright.
So
It's going this
So I
way
don't-
after me, right?
Yeah.
But I still have one more
Yeah.
You
turn.
only
Okay.
have one more.
I re-reverse it to Mitchell.
What?
it,
Double reverse play.
Alright, I'm a
is that how this game works?
I'm gonna skip to Mopi.
I don't know why you think that's a big deal.
Oh man.
Well, because I'm gonna skip it one more time.
So it's back on me.
Yeah.
So I'm attacking Chris.
Bro, why do you guys make me put it on top?
You put it on top. No one made you do anything.
No way.
It's bad. No.
Wait, you only have one card left, Mopi?
I have two. This game's bullshit. I don't have already two.
Hey, stop.
You can't defuse that thing.
All right, I'm playing. I'm stealing from Jesse.
Wait, should I show the camera?
No, I'll show whatever I get.
Alright. Well, this could be huge for you. This could be game changing.
This is what I got, boys.
Bro, I'm scared.
Dude, I might be screwed.
Wait, so if I
No,
have...
Tyler's about to be screwed.
I don't
So
like
you-
this.
So the last thing was an attack on you, right?
So
Yeah.
that's two
But-
turns, isn't it?
Yeah, I'm still going. I'm still
Yeah.
going. I'm
Yeah,
still
yeah,
going.
yeah.
I'm doing that again. Playing two. Yes, sir. Spread them.
Bro, you already took my good card. What are you doing?
Hey, stop looking.
He's took by a few.
The thing is, you can't defuse this.
Yeah. So you have two turns. Unless you nope his attack.
I can still nope his attack.
Can't you? I don't see why not.
That's
Yeah.
only for one turn. Oh wait, no, that's for the
You
entire
can,
card.
yeah, you can still.
Oh.
It's still your turn.
Well, in that case, sorry, Mopey.
So
It's
wait.
Because all right, this is how I'm looking at it. If it doesn't
So
work,
it's Mopi's turn.
because
Yeah.
this technically, I'm still going on that one
Yeah,
turn.
all you did that was...
Yeah, so
steal
it's
a
your
card,
turn.
So.
It's your turn.
I see into the future.
Can you actually tell me?
Dude, I just
Dude,
lost
there's a
all my
one where
cards.
you can like see into the future and rearrange it.
Move the 3.
Yeah.
Do I have that?
It's like a purple one.
So are you gonna?
So Tyler is the first to get shocked now.
I just want to make my point in saying, I'm not saying Jesse cheated. There was some interesting tactics.
That
was good.
Dude, no, I'm gonna say
I'm
this. I
sorry.
play this game a lot. Everyone holds their diffuses on the ends.
No, that's what
That's-
I
yeah,
do too.
that's-
Everyone
that's-
knows that's a
They
no
gotta
thing.
watch
Yeah,
where
I
their
mean-
fuses are.
It is what it is,
The
Tyler.
diffuse wouldn't have helped you anyway.
So put this on your arm. You get it three good times.
Actually, still like
You can just hold it.
the right
No, it's
size.
perfect.
Yeah, it's perfect length for me.
Let me make sure you're in
I
frame.
lost all my cards. Dude, if Chris didn't take my nope, he would have died.
Yeah.
That was insane.
Jesus, bicep boy. Too big.
I mean, you could just hold it down. Are you ready?
You got the skin.
3, 2, 1. There's one. There's one. Ah!
Electric chair.
Alright guys, so card count. I have 4 cards left. You have how many?
5.
5,
7.
7.
0.
Alright. So, my turn.
Ooh.
Dude, I don't...
You don't trust it, bro? That sucks. I'm just gonna take
I'm just going for it too.
Oh, you motherfuckers.
What? What do we do? Why are we...
I'm gonna see into the future.
One necessary?
No.
Alright.
These are the cards. In order. Oh, it's your best.
Stop. You don't want to touch that.
Or you could just show it here and we can all close our eyes.
I played 4.
Uh-oh.
6.5 hours later.
Oh.
Alright, this card is
Dude,
definitely sus. But that's okay.
Alright. I'm going to use this cat, and I can use it as any cat card.
Okay.
And so I'm gonna pair it with this, and I'm stealing one of yours.
Steal from the Overlord.
Alright, am I doing it like this?
The camera can see that, I'm pretty sure.
He fell right into my trap.
I stole that. God damn it.
What was this trap?
I'm pretty sure that was the card I just put in.
Fuck it, I'm going for Mitchell again.
Hey! Attack! Attack! Attack!
Oh, wait, hold up!
Whoa!
Was that a decoy?
Ooh, that was sus. But you gotta see which ones they hold on to the tightest. That's always the ones they don't. Hey!
This is what I got.
Hope that camera color.
Would you see us stealing all the good cards? Well, I'm gonna attack Mitchell too after this. Let me get my
Alright.
two.
Diffuse cards were touched by your fingers.
I only have one.
No!
And then you gotta put it back.
No, 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 no! Not today, Kristopher. Not today. Denied. Did you have a nope? Okay.
So all I could,
do,
the only way to survive here is playing a diffuse
Or a nope.
or a
You can
no.
nope my nope.
Or if you steal, well, yeah, you can steal someone's card and hope for the best.
Are you out?
I'm out, babe.
Oh!
Yeah, you're L.
Oh, I'm
Damn it! I was about to
sorry.
alter the
And you had
future
a god
too,
too.
bro.
Yeah.
I should have done it. Fuck! I just didn't think the bomb would be. Look how many cards
I
are
know, I
left.
didn't
Bro,
think that
honestly,
either.
Wait,
Nope
there's
might be the
there's
most
really
powerful.
only one bomb left now, right?
Yeah.
No, there's two. Oh,
Well,
there is
Chris-
only one.
Do
And
you
there's
not put it
that
back
many cards.
Huh?
Do you not put? I'm pretty sure Chris puts it back in.
No, no,
No, no, no. There's only one.
All right,
Yeah.
Chris. Well,
All right. Well, I get 2.
Tyler, you
you want
can
to do the honors? Oh, okay.
Oh shit.
I don't like
God.
sorry people.
Oh God.
Are you ready?
It's been a while
I
since you.
put it on 17.
It's on 14.
It's on
You know-
14.
Wait, no, it should be on 13 because you got.
Yeah, I'm on 13.
Okay, yeah,
I'm on
13.
13. Holy shit. I don't know what arm to do.
Just lift up your sleeve a little bit. Yeah. All right, you ready?
Yeah.
3, 2,
Oh, I don't like this.
1. It's not working.
Oh, you bitch! You fucking bitch! You bitch! Oh! Oh, you're a cunt! Oh, fuck! No, I did it! Oh!
I'm sweating, dude. Oh my God.
I thought Tom was genuinely
Yeah, so was I, bro. He was like looking at it all weird. He is not shocking me.
Oh fuck.
Alright, one more.
Okay, one more.
Oh, fuck! Oh, my...
Dude.
Oh,
Good stuff.
bro, I'm so hot. Oh,
He's in a fetal position.
oh. Dude, I can't imagine. What's the highest?
15?
Yeah, no. Alright, so I'm out of the game. Jesser and Mitchell are going at it. So here we go.
All right,
Chris, you actually did take some valuable cards,
here we go.
but just not the correct valuables.
Dude, there are some crazy new
Wait,
cards.
did you already pull?
Yeah, I just pulled. What, dude? Why you sus? I'm just gonna keep. Oh, I didn't mean to do that.
That's a bomb right there.
Aw. That was gonna
be so awkward.
If there's a bomb right here, I'm heated.
So we're just collecting, boy.
I use favor. Give me a card.
What type of cat do you want?
Feral.
Feral, that's cheese.
What's feral?
You can use it as any cat.
Wait, you just give me whatever you want, bro.
Yeah, you picked that.
I just wanted to hear if he had anything.
Oh, you mastermind.
The ferals are like OP.
Alright.
Bro, how many cards you got? God damn.
Hold on. Alright.
Alright, guys. I'm gonna put a little twist to this.
Okay.
Alright, it's up to you. But after each of you go, let's say 3 more times. Like you guys draw 3 more times. After that, like you basically have to like just go. Just like use cards. Start using cards rather than like stacking it.
Oh,
I
You
feel
know,
like we'll be,
I'm using the one.
be using cards in a minute.
Yeah.
Yeah. Alright.
She's about to get it. Did I just go?
No, it's my turn.
I'm gonna alter the future.
Oh. Oh boy.
1, 2, 3. Okay. Check this out. Power moves.
Wait. So who's?
I get to change the top 3.
Yeah, that's fucking snaky.
You're healthy.
No, let's see.
Aw, you
Jesus!
That was an accident.
I got these.
I'm so sorry.
No, you're good.
My turn or your turn?
So if I have
Is it your turn?
you. So if I have 3 of the same cards, I get to straight up say, hey, give me a note. Or
Yeah.
You gonna take my note?
nope. Can I have a diffuse?
Wait. Oh, damn.
Damn.
Just giving it to me.
Damn.
Well, yeah, I have to.
You didn't have a note?
Where in the rules is it that you get to tell them to pick which
No,
one?
because that's the for 3.
Damn,
3 of
dude.
a kind. You don't have a 3 of a kind?
No, bro. All right, I'm seeing into the future.
Oh, that
I'm
hurt.
stacking.
How do you not have 3 of the same?
Bro, show your cards. It's a fucking G.
I use this.
Bro, this is like the best I've ever played.
All right, it's your turn.
May. It's not.
So,
Oh, what?
do you have another diffuse?
Snake ass, bro.
Oh my god!
This game. Wait.
Dude.
Mitchell, I don't know if you set the game up right.
Bro, this dude.
I'm just pulling.
You got some
Is he
work to
cheating
do.
or something?
I'm not cheating.
All right, it's your turn, bro.
Oh, it's me?
Oh man.
You know what?
You're so unnecessary.
Let's reverse it. I'm feeling a bomb.
Fuck you.
What is that? Oh, you know there's a bomb there, huh?
No, bro, I'm just sussed out now.
No, that's...
Bro, you're gonna have to start using some future cards.
You know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna pull this bomb,
Okay.
He did.
and I'm gonna defuse it.
Okay, okay, you
Use
can put it
my
back.
advantage.
Let's make things a little interesting, shall we? So Mitchell just got a bomb. He's putting it back in the deck wherever he wants. What's he gonna do? Is he gonna pull the top card? Is he gonna put it on the bottom card? Because it seems like Jester likes to pull those bottom cards.
You're not allowed to look.
What do you think, dude?
I think Jester still has a chance.
I do, bro. I do.
Alright, that's you.
My turn? Mm-hmm. Alright, Mitchell. Can I have a diffuse?
Nope.
That was my one.
Oh, fuck.
We're gonna shuffle the deck.
Oh, man, that's a good call.
That was super good.
Was it on top?
No.
Someone tell me to stop in a couple seconds.
3, 2, 1, stop. Oof. Okay.
Alright, spread them.
Let me see, let me see.
This is what I got. Well, he knows what I got. I can just show everyone what I got. Cause we're the only one.
What'd you get?
So Jester got a diffuse. He's back in it.
Bro, that was a good move.
Look at this one.
Oh, man. Bro, how is there not a bomb yet?
No, Mitchell got a bomb.
Oh, man, this is where shit gets interesting.
It's about to get interesting, Mitchell. It's about to get real interesting. Put that
I
back.
got a diffuse.
It's about to get real interesting, isn't it?
Alright, don't look.
Alright.
Oh, man.
Why?
Don't call it a comeback.
You see the power. You see the power cards.
Oh, man. Wait, let me see that one.
It's just. It's my turn?
Mm-hmm.
I'm gonna alter the future.
Just the top 3. Care to show the audience what you're altering?
Interesting. Wait, let me see.
Here, I can show.
Wait.
Let me see the top 2.
Alright.
This is what Jester. So that'll be the top card. Here we go.
Alright. So I'm gonna change it though.
Oh.
Actually no, I'll just leave it like that.
And then you're pulling the top card.
Yeah.
Can I have a favor?
Gotta go deep into the collection.
Please don't tell me you have one of those.
I don't.
Oh.
Did you put the bomb on the bottom?
Oof.
How many cards are left?
Let's look at
3.
There's 3.
Alright, we're gonna alter the future a little bit.
It's getting sweaty.
Damn.
It's getting.
Don't mind if I do. Wait, alright. Alright, let me
Here.
let me explain it to the camera what just
Okay.
happened. Okay, so I altered the future. I can look at the top 3 cards, and they were like this. So I would have pulled this card instead of this one, but I'm switching it up. Okay.
Give me a card. Or spread them.
Relax.
You gotta surge
Relax! Psych! I wanted you to take that one.
Alright.
He got a shuffle, mate.
Skip?
Skip.
I attack.
Oh no.
I shuffle. Wait, there's only 2 cards.
Yeah.
See,
You technically have to draw a bull.
oh, why did I
Wait.
use shuffle?
Yeah, you,
I mean, you
have
can.
to.
Do you want to
Alright,
shuffle?
I pulled both.
so you did both your
No,
turns.
there's one card.
Wait, you have to defuse it.
Oh yeah.
So I have to pull it? Wait, I have to pull it?
Or are you just gonna...
Psych! Attack.
Oh my god.
Oh, man!
Yeah, Chris.
Oh, no.
Can I have a favorite?
Oh. He's like, oh.
Really?
Oh, I have 2 cards.
Oh my god.
Wait, do you attack now or?
Okay. Okay, you have to pull. Attack.
I'm drawing from the bottom.
You lose! Oh my god, that was so fun! Oh!
That was amazing.
Oh, my heart.
How the fuck? That was a good ass battle.
Bro, those attacks saved me.
All right, so Mitchell's getting the last shock.
Oh my
GG's
god,
boys in 3, 2. Ow!
You won it too.
It's dangerous.
All right, guys, I hope you enjoyed that video. I'm trying my best to capture, you know, us playing these card games. I hope it came out all right. If you guys did enjoy it, give this a thumbs up. Make sure you guys go check out all these guys' channels. Their links will be down below. Thank you guys for watching. Subscribe if you're new. Join the crew. You already know what to do. Peace!